So today in the Pandora workshop we have this Mustang 2019 brand spanking new one, and we fitted our Light Pro package with remote engine start. Also has 3 immobilization points on it and 5 sensors, including warn away, tilt sensor, movement sensor and an impact sensor as well. We've also fitted a remote start onto this package as well, and that can be done by the LCD remote from the original Ford remote and from the phone app as well. So if we just show you, we arm the system. Can also shut it down from the app as well. The system also works through the original keyless entry system as well, so if we tap on there you can hear the system arms. If we go to open the door it will disarm. All protected through this immobilizer tag, so as long as this is close to the car the Pandora will arm and disarm. The app also shows you when doors, boot and bonnet are open as well, so we just pop the door open. You'll see the driver's door open. We pop the boot. See the boot area. Same with the passenger door as well. Show that zone. Same with the bonnet. We'll also show you internal temperature inside the car and also engine temperature as well, which is perfect when your remote start's activated, as well as battery voltage as well. Just going to demonstrate how the Pandora system works with the immobilizer tag. So it means you can arm and disarm from your original remote as long as this immobilizer tag is close to the vehicle. Now the way it works is obviously if a thief were to grab the code from this when you press the lock and unlock button, or with some keyless cars with keyless itself, then obviously if the alarm system doesn't see the Pandora remote it won't disarm, keeping all the immobilizers, sensors and everything completely armed. So we just demonstrate. So we'll arm the system. So that's the Pandora arms. If we now just pop the tags inside a Faraday case, blocking the signal, so the Pandora can't see these tags. Now, if we try to unlock the car with the remote, obviously the alarm will not see the tags. You won't get a beep. If you then open the door, the alarm will activate and the immobilizer is completely armed. It doesn't matter what you do, until it sees that tag, nothing will happen. Take them back out. You can then disarm the alarm system. And this time, for more information on this and any of our Pandora alarm system, visit our website at www.pandoracaralarms.co.uk.